No, the camera's not on.
Yeah, it is. It's recording.
Hold on.
Cold start, baby. Good.
Let's go.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And it's gonna be a good day. I got my coffee. I'm so used to working nights that you know, this is a little different for me. So gotta drink some coffee. And today is a really good day. Or it's going to be a good day. So it's kind of early. I'm waiting on Cam to get here. He's gonna come and help me install the exhaust, as you can see from the thumbnail. So we got something special. I got a full titanium Jay's Racing 60 RS exhaust, and this is the Gen 1. So there's a version 2 of this exhaust. I think it's called the FX model. So it's like the 60 RS FX, I believe. The only difference, and it probably changes the sound note up a little bit, but the difference between the newer one is it's more at like a diagonal, like a V shape. So this one's a little bit different, and but it's been one of my dream exhausts for a while. The whole thing weighs about like 15 pounds. Full titanium. I bought it used because I was gonna get the single exit brand new. This guy that I saw online was selling this because he sold his S2000. So got a really good deal on it. It's in really good condition. The only thing I had to get were new gaskets. But that's, anytime you buy a new exhaust or take it on and off, you kind of want to replace the gaskets anyways. And my old ones were shot, and I'm pretty sure his were too. So new gaskets, got everything set up. I was gonna wait for the test pipes to come in before installing this so I could do it all in one shot, but the test pipes are coming from Japan, and it's just gonna take too long. So I'm gonna install the exhaust. When the test pipe come in, I'll install that and give you guys an update then. Hopefully the wheels come in by then. If not, I don't know, it's gonna be on the stock wheels for a little bit, but I was kind of hoping the wheels come in before the first car meet of the season around here. Springfest is around the corner. I still got to register, probably late on that. But enough of that. Let's get to the install, and yeah, let's see how this sounds. We're about to install this. Cam got here. And yeah, the exhaust is already off the car, so should be pretty simple. Just got to get up under there and yeah, and throw it in. Yo, so one thing I forgot to do is remove this subframe, cross beam bar, whatever you want to call. I forget that this exhaust, it's longer than the one I took off, so you have to remove this cross subframe beam thing. It's held on by these 14mm bolts. I think it's 4 of those, and then 2 10mm. We had to cut a little bit because part of the bar is bent. So of course, you know, when we're working on project cars, we always run into something. So at least it's this. So once we have this off, then we'll be able to throw the exhaust on. I already lubed up all the bushing, so everything else should just slide right on. And yeah, should be straightforward after this. Like I said, it's 4 of these 14 millimeter bolts and 2 10 mil. And once you have those off, then this piece will come off and you can throw the exhaust on. Yeah. Woo.
So we're back under. We bolted up the top of the exhaust to the catalytic converter.
Man, this sucks.
And we had some trouble getting the bolts back on. Kind of weathered, well, not weathered, but
This is old.
So taking it back off, clean them off so they can be tightened a little better and more firm, and get back to it, man. So Sean's just in the process of taking them back off after I he-manned them on there. And get back to it. Sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's getting old.
Well, we are about to install the mufflers.
The axles.
We had to make a run to get another flange.
Gasket,
Excuse me.
Grab this.
Gasket. So the one that we did have
It's too big.
Too big. So go ahead and get these installed and
No, the camera's not on.
Yeah, it is. It's recording.
hold on.
Cold start, baby. Good.
Let's go.
Moving the wood right now while I bring the bad boy out. Oh, I think the battery died.
No, I didn't die.
Left side, it's still recording?
It's still good.
Oh, why can't I see him though?
I don't know why the screen goes off.
Yeah.
Why the screen go off?
I actually.
All right, y'all, we're pretty much done. Like I said, the test pipes should be in soon, as well as the wheels. So right now I'm running stock wheels, so it looks kind of stupid. But all the work we did so far, the seats, the half cage is all set. I'm getting ready to get a convertible top delete, so this will be gone, so that'll shed some weight. I just got to talk to a body shop to see if they can make me something. I have all the plastic pieces, so I'm gonna take those to them and see if they can work something out. So far the interior is all done. Everything still looks clean. The body is pretty much done once I get the wheels, and then we can start on some of the engine mods. Exhaust is all done, sounds really good. So Cam, you think you look good? Yeah, straight. So thanks for watching, guys. That's it for right now. I'm gonna take the car out for a little drive and just enjoy the weather. So peace out until next time.